Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with my Happy Planner spring release order. Now, yes, I did get quite a bit of stuff from the Happy Planner. However, there were still some things that I wanted to pick up. Now, I didn't get a ton of stuff, firstly because of budget, but secondly because I don't need everything. So all the stuff in here is some stuff that I know that I will use. Some of it when I went back and forth on, but I will go into that in more detail. All right, I will show you guys what's in here. So here is everything in my haul so far. I got 3 sticker books. One of them I already have, but I needed to get a second one, Beauty and Florals. I will put a card up here in the top right corner for the video of the flip through of this one because it's just so good. I had to get a second one. And then the 2 other ones, Girl with Goals and Modern Year. I will do flip throughs of each of these. And then these are the Daily Productivity Extension Packs. I believe I have flip throughs of these, and these I think are from a while ago. This is, I think, from like the fall release or the summer release, and these were available on the Happy Planner website, and I love them. I use these for work. So this is basically where you do get the double-sided productivity pages, 2 pages of stickers, and then you get the 3 dividers. So basically you get so 50 pieces, there's 50 pages, they're double-sided, so you're essentially getting 100 days in each of these packs, which I'm excited about. So that's 200 days of planner pages. And then the last thing I got is this snap-in soft planner cover. So I got the one in rose gold. I'll take it out of the pack so it's not so shiny. But I got the rose gold as part of my squad box, and I needed to get the black because just it's so sleek and clean looking. I just love that. The rose gold one actually went on my journal, so now I have to decide if this goes on my fitness planner or my work planner and which one of those is going to get the folio. So love this one, and this one has the plastic with where you can snap that onto the discs. One of the things that I've noticed though is that the color or even the paint on here does scratch off the more that you take it on and off the disc, so just be careful with that. What I do like about this though is that there's no text on it. The only text that you have is the Happy Planner on the back there, so it really is very neutral. You can use this on any classic size planner, and you know, it looks so professional and sleek. I love that. So that's just going, you know what? I don't just put it back in the package because I'm going to be using it right away. All right, so that back here in the box. The other thing that I also got as well was this decal, the Happy Planner vinyl decal, which are so cute. And I think I'm going to put that on the water bottle. All right, so you guys have already seen a flip through of Beauty and Florals. If not, like I said, I will leave a link in the description below. So then I have Girl with Goals and Modern Year, and I really went back and forth as to whether or not I even should purchase them. I saw these in Michael's and I thought, do I need them? Do I really want them? And in the end I decided, you know what, I will get them. And so we'll go ahead and flip through each of these. You guys have probably seen flip throughs of these already, but that's okay. So firstly, what I want to say is that I already love the color scheme of both of these. I'll move this to the side here. I already love the color scheme of this sticker book. So you've got the full boxes, you've got the rose gold, plan on it, caffeine and confidence, yes. Make today great, so very busy. It reminds me of minimalist in terms of some of the stickers. Reminds me a little bit of minimalist in terms of the format of the stickers. Love the hexagons. Yes, these boxes look very similar to the minimalist sticker book. Yes. Oh yes, I could so see myself using these for work. And of course, I think these could go very, very well with florals. I love the tan and the black and the more black boxes, peach boxes, rose gold. I used to have a huge love of anything foiled, but now it's so hard, I find, to take pictures of. So kind of shy away from the foiling actually. This one has positive word. Go do it this week, positive word. I love these. I love the transparent stickers for like meeting, call, appointment. Note to self. Well, this is pretty. Like, again, it would be just so hard to photograph. I love these big boxes in my daily pages. Love using them. Oh, I love the color of that one too. This is like a gray, almost got a green tint to it. Note to self this week, so very busy. It is very functional, this sticker book. I mean, you have a few decorative boxes like that, but there isn't much in terms of decoration. Finally, the weekend. But there are a lot of quotes, which I do appreciate. I love quotes in a sticker book. Dreams don't work unless you do. Beautiful. So that is Modern Year. And I feel like when I first thought of purchasing it, I thought, oh, it's one of those seasonal sticker books, but it really isn't. It's very similar to Minimalist. Very similar to Minimalist. And then the last sticker book here is Girl with Goals. And I've seen so many people use this already. And this one has gold foil with the purple and the black. And that's silver foil too. Oh, I love it already. I love the boxes. I don't know if I'm a fan of the gold foil though. I love these boxes. Already can see myself using them in my daily sheets. Get it done. I need to find a way to use like the half circles. Ooh, I love this. This would work so well in my work planner or my fitness planner. There's a few pages of those. And these I love. They're just like little paint swoops or little doodles. I love the purple. Yes, amazing. I like those. This reminds me of like the very original rainbow sticker book. Just so the angle of it. Yeah. Ooh, I was like, what is that? That's a pen with some writing. Goal getter. I love the coffee o'clock. I like this. I like that it's a white sticker with a little bit of a pen doodle. Put that back. And then the computer. Coffee o'clock. Nice work. Oh my OMG. You just have to start. These are my favorites. Like little washi strips. Oh, I love that. And then more, oh, daily goal and box like this. This could work really well for my fitness planner. And then quotes. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, did. I love these. Be proud of you. You just have to start. And then more here. I think these would go so well with like purple and black florals. I'm just in awe. I love it. I am actually really glad that I purchased that. So that is Girl with Goals. So then these are the 3 sticker books that I purchased. Modern Year, Girl with Goals, and Beauty and Florals. Once again, this is the second of this sticker book that I have, so I won't do a flip through of this. I have left the link for that video in the description below. So those are the 3 sticker books I got. Then I got the Snap In soft cover in black, which is just gorgeous. And then I got 2 more packs of the productivity extension pack because I mean I love my daily spreads. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.